Have you ever wondered how to make money online from the comfort of your own home? Imagine the possibilities that exist in our digital age. The online world is a treasure trove brimming with opportunities for those adventurous enough to explore. From blogging your to success, to making savvy trades in the world of online stocks, to freelancing your unique skills, there's a multitude of ways to transform your time and talent into tangible earnings. But amongst these, one method stands out for its blend of creativity and potential profitability: creating YouTube videos. That's right, your passion, hobby, or expertise can be the ticket to a rewarding digital venture. So if you've ever been intrigued by the prospect of becoming a YouTuber, this is your moment. We're about to dive into the wonderful world of YouTube to uncover the secrets of successful content creation and monetization. Prepare to embark on a journey into the world of YouTube, where potential earnings await. And don't forget to stick around and watch other inspiring videos on my channel. So, you've decided to try your hand at YouTube, but where do you start? Well, the first step is to establish your niche. It's crucial to decide what kind of content you want to create and who your target audience will be. Are you a travel enthusiast aiming to share your globetrotting adventures, or a tech guru ready to unpack the latest gadgets? Perhaps you're a culinary wizard eager to share your secret recipes. Whatever your passion may be, choose a niche that you love and are knowledgeable about. This will not only make the process enjoyable, but also authentic and relatable to your audience. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to create your channel. Think of your YouTube channel as your online home. Just like how you would want your house to be welcoming and appealing, your channel layout should be attractive and easy to navigate. This includes having a striking channel banner, a catchy channel name, and a compelling channel description that succinctly tells visitors what to expect from your channel. Now, let's talk about the YouTube algorithm. It sounds complex, but in simple terms, it's a system that YouTube uses to recommend videos to its users. Understanding this algorithm can help your videos get discovered by more people. It prioritizes content that keeps viewers on the platform longer, so creating engaging, high-quality videos is key. Regularly uploading content also signals to the algorithm that your channel is active and should be recommended to others. But don't just create content for the sake of pleasing the algorithm. It's equally important to create content that resonates with your audience. After all, they're the ones who will be watching your videos, sharing them, and possibly even subscribing to your channel. Finally, don't forget to interact with your viewers. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and engage in conversations. This not only builds a sense of community, but also gives you valuable insights into what your audience wants to see. Remember, starting a YouTube channel requires patience and dedication. It's not an overnight success story. But with the right approach and a bit of perseverance, you can turn your passion into a thriving YouTube channel. And who knows? You might even be the next big YouTube sensation. Now, let's dive into the heart of your YouTube channel: the content. The heart of any YouTube channel is its content. What you create, how you present it, and the value it delivers to your viewers are the defining factors of your channel's success. It's not just about what you love, but also what your audience loves to watch. You're not just creating content, you're creating an experience for your viewers. Planning your videos is the first step. A well-planned video is like a well-cooked meal. It's satisfying, enjoyable, and leaves the audience wanting more. Start by brainstorming topics that are relevant to your niche, and then develop a concise, engaging script around those topics. Remember, the aim is to deliver value in an entertaining way. Next is the importance of a good title and thumbnail. These two elements serve as your video's first impression, and we all know how critical first impressions are. Your title should be catchy, relevant, and descriptive. It should give your audience a clear idea of what to expect from your video. Your thumbnail, on the other hand, should be visually appealing and relevant to the title. It should entice viewers to click on your video and watch it. Now let's talk about SEO, or search engine optimization. Many people overlook this, but it's a crucial factor in your video's visibility. YouTube, like Google, is a search engine. It uses algorithms to rank videos in search results. By using relevant keywords in your title, description, and tags, you increase the chances of your video appearing in search results, thereby increasing your visibility. But remember, SEO is not just about stuffing your video with keywords, it's about understanding what your audience is searching for and providing them with that content. It's about making your video easy to find and enjoyable to watch. Finally, consistency is key. Consistently creating engaging content not only helps build a loyal audience but also signals to YouTube that your channel is active and worth promoting. Creating engaging content is key to attracting and retaining viewers. It's all about delivering value in an entertaining way. Before we move on to monetizing your channel, let's take a moment to talk about an opportunity that could fast-track your YouTube success. This is for those who are serious about mastering YouTube and turning their channel into a profitable venture. We're talking about a comprehensive course on YouTube mastery and monetization. This course, curated by experts who've walked the path and achieved success on this platform, is a roadmap to your YouTube journey. It's not just about learning the basics, it's about understanding the nuances of the platform, the algorithms, the audience behavior, and the monetization strategies. The course covers everything from channel setup, content creation, audience engagement, SEO, to advanced monetization strategies. It's not just theoretical knowledge, it's practical, actionable insights that you can apply directly to your channel. And the best part? You're not alone in this journey. You'll be a part of a community of learners, creators who, like you, are on the path to YouTube success. You can network, share experiences, learn from each other, and grow together. This course is an investment in your YouTube journey, an investment in your success. So if you're serious about mastering YouTube and turning your passion into a profitable venture, don't miss out on this opportunity. Check out the course on YouTube mastery and monetization. Remember, the key to success is not just hard work, but smart work. And this course is all about working smart on your YouTube journey. So gear up, step into the world of YouTube mastery and monetization, and let's make your YouTube journey a success story. You've set up your channel and are creating great content. Now, how do you make money? Well, there are several ways to monetize your YouTube channel. Let's delve into some of them. One of the most common methods is through Google AdSense. You allow advertisements to run on your videos, and Google pays you a portion of the ad revenue. Remember though, the key to earning significant revenue through AdSense is having a large number of views. Now let's talk about affiliate marketing. This is where you promote a product or service in your videos. And if viewers purchase through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win situation. You're providing valuable recommendations to your viewers, and in return, you're earning money. Sponsored videos are another great way to monetize your channel. Companies will pay you to feature their products or services in your videos. However, remember, it's important to maintain authenticity and only promote products you genuinely believe in. Merchandise sales can also contribute to your YouTube income. If you've built a strong brand and have a dedicated fan base, selling merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, or even digital products related to your content can be a profitable venture. But here's the catch. To access most of these monetization methods, you need to be part of the YouTube Partner Program. The program has certain requirements you need to meet, such as having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Once you meet these criteria, you can apply to the program and start earning from your content. Finally, remember that monetization is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, consistency, and creativity. It's about creating value for your viewers and earning income as a result. Monetizing your channel can be a game changer. It's where your hard work starts to pay off. So keep creating, keep engaging, and keep exploring new ways to monetize. The journey might be challenging, but the rewards can be incredibly worthwhile. Creating and monetizing content is crucial, but it's not enough. You also need viewers. Let's dive into the strategies for growing an audience. Consider this your digital garden. Your content is the seed, and your audience the essential water and sunlight. Without them, your seed won't sprout, let alone blossom. First off, think about promoting your videos on social media. It's not about spamming every platform with your links though. It's about strategically sharing your content where it's most relevant. Maybe you've made a fitness video. Why not share it in a fitness group on Facebook? Or perhaps you've made a cooking tutorial. Instagram's foodie community might appreciate it. Remember, it's not just about broadcasting your content. It's about engaging with communities and offering something of value. Next up, collaboration. This is a powerful tool in the YouTube world. Collaborating with other YouTubers can expose your channel to their audience and vice versa. It's a win-win situation. Now you might be wondering, how do I collaborate? Well, it can be as simple as featuring each other in your videos or as elaborate as creating a whole series together. The key here is to collaborate with creators who share similar interests and audience demographics as you do. And last, but definitely not least, engage with your viewers. This is your secret sauce. YouTube is a social platform after all. Respond to comments on your videos, start conversations, ask for feedback, and even consider hosting live chats. This kind of interaction can help you build a loyal community around your channel. It's like inviting your viewers into your living room for a chat. When viewers feel connected to you, they're more likely to stick around, watch more of your content, and even share it with their own circles. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Building an audience takes time. It requires patience, persistence, and a whole lot of passion. But with these strategies in your toolkit, you're well on your way to growing your digital garden. Building an audience takes time, but it's an essential part of your YouTube journey. So we've covered the basics of making money on YouTube. But remember, this is just the beginning. The journey ahead is a marathon, not a sprint. Consistency is key. Regularly creating and posting engaging content is what will keep your audience coming back for more. But it's not just about posting frequently, it's about learning and evolving. Use YouTube's analytics to understand what works and what doesn't. Which videos are your most viewed? Which ones keep viewers engaged the longest? Use this feedback to refine your content strategy. And remember, YouTube is an ever-changing platform, with policies and trends that can shift with the wind. Stay adaptable. Keep your finger on the pulse of what's happening, and don't be afraid to experiment with new ideas. Constant learning and experimenting are the stepping stones to success on this platform. Now it's your turn to start your YouTube journey. Remember, every successful YouTuber started with a single video. Your adventure begins now. And as we draw closer to the end of this guide, we want to make sure you're well equipped for the journey. So, before we wrap up, here's a crucial step you shouldn't miss. It's time to invite your viewers to join you on this exciting journey. Remember, every successful YouTuber started with a single subscriber, and every subscriber is a step closer to your dream. Therefore, always encourage your viewers to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. This not only helps you grow your channel, but also ensures your viewers don't miss out on any valuable content you put out. A simple phrase like, "If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on valuable content like this," can go a long way. And remember, your journey to YouTube success starts here. Every upload, every subscriber, every comment, every like, and every share counts. So stick around, keep learning, and keep growing. Your adventure begins now.